Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Orvieto, Umbria. We are in the more southern part of the region, just under 90 minutes to Rome and its airports. Orvieto is a spectacular hilltop town and in my opinion one of the most beautiful of all of the region. It is on a hilltop made of tough stone, and it has over 3,000 years of history with Etruscan origins. We are about to discover together an incredible home, completely restored and just 15-minute walk to the center of the town. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. The villa is immersed in its outdoor space of 2.9 hectares. Which equals to about 7.2 acres. Part of it on the front side is covered in beautiful olive trees, while the rest is perfectly manicured garden. The position is excellent. It is elevated, but at the same time flat and comfortable to use and live. It is facing south, so you have sun all day long, as you can see. The villa has been built with rustic tough stone, just like the stone that you see on the hill right behind me. It has been completely restored in recent years, therefore you see its rustic aspect, but inside it is completely updated with brand new systems, underfloor heating. There is also a 20 kilowatt photovoltaic system that you can see right behind me with two batteries of 10 kilowatts each for accumulation of energy. There is also an additional 80 square meters that were a ruin and need to be rebuilt, so you have a possibility of adding 80 square meters of space that can become either another apartment or a garage. On my left side there is the possibility of building a swimming pool, which is quite rare in this area because it is all protected, being so ancient. And in this case, you can build an 8x4 swimming pool right on this beautiful garden. On the front side of the villa, we find this spacious terracotta paved terrace. It is bordering with the garden, so you can enjoy each areas. This is ideal for eating outside. You can have breakfast, lunch, or beautiful dinners facing this view right in front. It is ideal also to simply soak up the sun. You have a great exposure all day long. From this terrace you can also access the home with its separate accesses. We have the first door over here. This gets us to what could be considered as a guest space. This is an independent access for 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It is beautifully furnished and can be considered like an independent apartment. Welcome inside the villa. It is 608 square meters with a total of 8 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Internally, we find a very smart layout. In fact, you can divide it into 4 independent units, or by simply opening doors, you can connect them and create a singular large home. The property has been recently renovated, keeping rustic details and its real historical soul, but at the same time it has been modernized. It has an excellent efficiency, and also it has externally 2 natural springs of water for the water with connected 2 cisterns. Internally we find underfloor heating and cooling while keeping rustic details like the beautiful Umbrian terracotta on the floors. As you enter the main door, you right away walk into the living area. There is this large stone fireplace. This is wood burning and perfectly working. This is 1 out of 3 fireplaces in the house. From this living area, we access onto the dining space on my right, and then in the end of the hallway over there, we find a spacious, completely restored bathroom, which is to be serving this area and these common spaces. In the end, there is a laundry area that also has a bathroom, which could potentially become a staff's quarter. At the moment, it is used as a laundry. And there is also a storage space. Welcome to the kitchen, which is right beside the living space. It opens beautifully and it is full of light. We have windows on two sides, very elegantly restored and furnished. Also here we find the terracotta on the floor that matches beautifully with the colors the owners have picked for the kitchen. They are all light colors with this elegant marble tops over here. We have the sinks, the gas stove, and lots of storage all around. On the first floor of the home, we find these contrast between the terracotta steps that blend with these large wood boards. This is very cozy for a bedroom area. Over here we have the primary bedroom on my left. It is very elegant and relaxing. It has this nice blue color with exposed beams on the ceiling that match the wood on the floor. On this side we find its bathroom. It is the primary bathroom, very spacious with his and hers sinks, and there also is a spacious shower with elegant high-end details. As we keep going, we find two large storage spaces on this side, while over here access to a beautiful walk-in closet. It has a large window overlooking the back of the outdoor space and very bright. The hallway keeps going. In the end, we find two bedrooms. They are both very spacious. The first one on my right is currently used as an office space. It can be really a multi-purpose room. At the moment, it is a beautiful space full of light with two large windows, but could also be a nice primary bedroom. Over here, there is a second nice bedroom, and they both share this completely renovated bathroom on my left. So from this office or bedroom, one can access through this door to the central staircase, which we haven't seen yet. This is one of the three access points to the house internally. On the other side, we also have a second door. That door accesses onto the primary bedroom we have seen. So internally, it is very versatile and very easily connected. This central staircase has an independent access, so one could reach the above apartment I am about to show you from an independent access without passing through this rest of the property that I've shown you. Let's go and see it. On the last floor, we find another two possible apartments or nice large bedrooms. This one over here at the moment is not used. It needs to be furnished completely, but the owners currently don't need it. You can set up a nice kitchen over here. There is the space for a bedroom and two bathrooms. However, it is completely renovated. It just needs the fixtures and appliances. On this side instead, we find a nice other apartment. This can also be considered like a primary bedroom. So if you're a large family and each of the members want some independence, this is excellent because over here you have full privacy, full independence, but also connected to the rest of the villa. Here you have a nice living area, sitting space, office, nice views on two sides with full of natural light. And on this side we find the bathroom, the bedroom on my right side, and on the other side another bathroom and another bedroom. So a nice two-bedroom apartment. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this home. I think it could be ideal for somebody that likes the rustic look and likes the proximity to the town, but at the same time would like to have something completely renovated with up-to-date standards. This could be ideal for either a large family that likes to have a large home with several bedrooms, each part connected but at the same time independent, or for somebody that would like to use an apartment for themselves and the rest rent them out like a little agriturismo. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!